Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send a photo from your gallery in the Viber app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the conversation where you want to send the photo. This could be a chat with a friend, family member, or group conversation. Once you're in the chat, you'll see your message history and the option to send new content. Now, at the bottom of your screen, you'll notice several icons for different types of content you can share. Go ahead and tap on the image icon. This icon is typically located near the text input field and allows you to access your photo gallery directly from within the chat. Tapping this icon tells Viber that you want to share a visual element rather than just sending a text message. Once you tap the image icon, your gallery will automatically open. This gives you direct access to all the photos stored on your device, making it easy to find exactly what you want to share. Take a moment to browse through your gallery and locate the specific photo you'd like to send. You might need to scroll through different folders or albums depending on how your photos are organized on your device. When you find the photo you want to share, simply tap on it to select it. The app will highlight your selection, indicating that this is the image you're preparing to send. This selection process ensures you're sending exactly the right photo before it goes out to your conversation. After selecting your photo, you'll have the option to edit the image if needed. Viber provides basic editing tools that allow you to crop, add text, draw on the image, or apply filters to enhance your photo before sending it. This feature is particularly useful if you want to highlight something specific in the image or add a personal touch. Take your time here if you'd like to make any adjustments, but if the photo looks perfect as is, you can skip this step entirely. Once you're satisfied with how your photo looks, tap the send icon. This is usually represented by a paper plane or arrow symbol, and it's typically located in the corner of your screen. Tapping this icon will immediately send your selected photo to the conversation, and your recipient will be able to view it right away. And that's it. You've successfully sent a photo from your gallery through Viber, allowing you to share memories, important images, or visual information quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.